Squad, what's up? I hope all is well. Today I'm showing you another home in Katy. It is 4.5 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, 2 offices. It has a game room and a media room, approximately 3,600 square footage. I love the finishing touches in this house. So far, it is my favorite. I hope you will love it as well. To those of you who are new, welcome to the Glam Squad family. My name is Dalou. I upload Glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Welcome back to all of my returning Glam Squad. Yeah, I know I love you. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. This room has his and hers closet, but I'm only gonna show you one because the other one has construction materials.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them My heart was in chains, but now I'm free. Yeah, I am only focusing on me. Love isn't something that I need. I'm sorry if I'm making you feel like I'm leading you on, but honey, I really don't need someone by my side. But we could have some fun, baby. Let's go, nothing serious, baby. Not how we could have some fun, baby. Let's go. But I'll be bright and so low. I don't need a man, no. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life. I'll be bright and so low. I don't need a man, no. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life, so life for life. I can see the way that you are watching me, but please do not bother to come up here. I'm just dancing with my girls, yeah. We wanna drink and have some fun. The music is loud, the night is young. We wanna dance until the sun goes up. But we could have some fun, baby. Let's go, nothing serious, baby. Not how we could have some fun, baby. Let's go. But I'll be bright and so low. I don't need a man, no. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life. I'll be bright and so low. I don't need a man, no. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life, so life for life. But we could have some fun, baby. Let's go. Nothing serious, baby. Not how we could have some fun, baby. Let's go. But I'll be bright and so low. I don't need a man, no. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life. I'll be bright and so low. I don't need a man, no. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life, so life for life. My heart was in chains, but now I'm free. Yeah, I am only focusing on me. Love isn't something that I need. I'm sorry if I'm making you feel like I'm leading you on, but honey, I really don't need someone by my side. But we could have some fun, baby. Let's go, nothing serious, baby. Not how we could have some fun, baby. Let's go. But I'll be bright and so low. I don't need a man, no. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life. I'll be bright and so low. I don't need a man, no. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life, so life for life.
Glam Squad, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this house. Do you have a favorite room? As I mentioned, I really like the decor in this house, and I picked up a few decor tips. Check out the comment section to find out which room is my favorite. Please make sure you hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I thank you for spending your time with me today. I will see you on the next video. Love you always. Bye-bye. Mwah.